Guys, how's it going? Today we've got another cool unbox video. So, what's in this box is going to complement another horn that I have really well. This is a line of horns that I really like, and especially just a certain type of this horn. I've got a few of them now and I really like them. So anyway, let's get her popped open. Once again, this has come from another big collector. I've gotten a few other horns from him. So, really cool horn. I don't think he wanted to let go of this one, but I guess he finally decided that he wanted to. So he called me up and I told him to send it on. So let's check it out. Heavy box. Alright. Let's pack it out here. Seeing our first bell. Now this horn is a reproduction horn. Here's our first bell. It is a Leslie. So this is our first bell. And if you notice, I don't know if you can notice here, but this has been modified. So this is a modified bell. Like I said, it's reproduction. This is actually modified and turned into a 392. Next, we've got a 44, Leslie 44. Got some hardware. Got another bell. This is a modified bell as well. It is a 330. This is a 330 bell. Another bell. 55. And our final bell is going to be a third modified horn. Our bell. This has been turned into a 277. So we've got 3 modded bells on this horn. Now, like I said in another video, I don't usually buy modified horns, but make an exception for these just because of how rare they are, the real ones, and they will get my hands on for a decent price. Still pay quite a bit, but anyway, I wanted to be able to hear the sound. So we've got bronze tabby power chamber. We're going to have 5 of those. Pop them out. All these chambers are original. They have not been remachined, and they sound great. So kind of like that S5A that I have. Original bronze tabbies, not remachined. So kind of hard to find, to be honest. The bronze tabbies that still sound really good and don't have any issue because of their age. So I'm gonna get this manifold out, and then I'll tell you what the horn is, and we'll look at the bells one more time. There's our manifold. Throw this box down. Alright, so Leslie 5 chime, not an S5T, not an S5A. This is an S5D. Now, Leslie put out just a few S5Ds. Unlike the S5A, I think they did ship S5Ds, but there aren't many of them out there. They're very rare and very, very expensive. And the people that have them, they just won't let go of them. It's kind of one of them things, if you get it, you keep it forever. So they don't change hands too often unless you offer just crazy money. So this was an opportunity for me to get I guess one that's been recreated, you know, so I can have the sound. So that's why I bought it. Really cool horn. Like I said, these are the 3 modified bells. The 392 here, the shortest. We've got a 330, which is the middle length, and then the 277. So he does have these stamped on the ends, you know, saying what they are, what they've been made to. These are completely, these have been modified and tuned perfectly to the notes of each one of these bells. In addition, you've got a 55 and then a standard 44. So these are all round or circle bells. This is just a parts horn, of course. But you do have bronze tabby chambers, which are original. This would be what was on this horn when it was made. And then, of course, your 5-chime manifold. So anyway, I will get this thing put together, and I'll be right back and let you see what it looks like. All right, guys, here it is. So this is the Leslie S5D. Like I said, 3 modified bells. All 3 are on the bottom here. You've got the longest at 277, then a 330, and then the 392. I gotta remember those. So also you've got the 44 and the 55. So this is gonna have more of a higher pitch tone than like the S5A. The S5A that I have, it's got a lot of longer bells. The bells have been modified, but they've been extended, whereas these have been modified and they've been shortened. So anyway, S5A, I'm sorry, S5D, S5A is the other that you saw. This horn, as you can see, it's purple and orange, so it looks good. But I probably will repaint it eventually, so later on down the road, I'll get it repainted. But anyway, you'll see a video of what it sounds like before then. So anyway, really good looking horn. Can't wait to hear it. Sounds great. You know, I've heard it on video, but not in person. So anyway, I appreciate it, guys. I'll see you on the next one.